Hello, it's Nathan, and today we're examining the systematic relationship between mental health and social exclusion, a relationship best understood not as a simple correlation, but as a cascading domino effect where single challenges trigger comprehensive systemic failure. We begin with the correlation coefficient of 0.73, demonstrating the robust direct connection between income inequality and prevalence of serious mental health problems within nations. Greater inequality generates higher rates of mental illness. This isn't coincidence, it's the foundation of our analysis. Critically, this operates as a vicious cycle. Mental ill health produces social exclusion, while social exclusion exacerbates mental health conditions. Each reinforces the other in a self-perpetuating loop, and social exclusion constitutes systematic exclusion from the fundamental systems enabling full societal participation, employment, social networks, and civic engagement. This process unfolds across 4 sequential stages, each triggering the next. Stage 1. Resource deprivation. The cascade begins with economic insufficiency. UK data reveals that weekly income for individuals with psychosis averages less than half that of the general population. This income differential creates immediate consequences. People with mental health problems face debt at 3 times the rate of the general population. The material impact is stark. Stage 2. Opportunity barriers. Resource deprivation directly constrains access to education and employment, the primary mechanisms for escaping poverty cycles. More than half of individuals with psychosis possess no educational qualifications. The timing is particularly devastating. Serious mental health conditions typically emerge during teenage years and early 20s, precisely when educational credentials are acquired and career foundations established. Stage 3. Social isolation. Without financial stability, educational credentials, or employment, social infrastructure collapses. Adults with severe mental health problems report severe lack of social support at 5 times the rate of the general population. They're 4 times more likely to report having no close friends whatsoever. The data on isolation is overwhelming. Stage 4. Systemic exclusion. The final domino represents failure of the systems designed to provide support. In England, individuals receiving regular mental health treatment are barred from jury service, a direct statement of diminished citizenship. Healthcare disparities prove lethal. The Disability Rights Commission identified triple jeopardy. People with mental health problems develop physical illnesses more frequently, die from these illnesses at higher rates, and receive inferior care throughout. This constitutes systemic failure, producing premature mortality. The complete cascade. The mechanism operates sequentially. Economic hardship eliminates opportunity, producing social isolation, reinforced by institutional exclusion. Each stage makes subsequent stages nearly inevitable. Moreover, exclusion severity scales with illness severity. More profound conditions generate more comprehensive exclusion layers. This analysis reveals social exclusion as a complex, interconnected barrier system operating both as cause and consequence of poor mental health, generating substantial cost for individuals and society. There's an established principle. Societies are judged by their treatment of vulnerable members. This cascade of exclusion forces critical evaluation of our collective performance. Thank you.